Hello, beautiful kids. How are you doing today? I hope you're having fun and doing a great job at your home and watching all my videos at your home. Okay, are you watching my videos? Very good. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And today we are going to do our next topic, that is safety outside home. Do you remember in the last class we have learned the topic safety at home? Okay. Now I will tell you about safety outside home, and both are equally important because it is very important to follow these rules, and that's why we can be careful. And if we don't follow these safety rules, what will happen to us? We can fall ill, or we can get injured, okay? Or we can meet with some accident. So anything can happen with us if we don't follow these safety rules. Let me tell you what are these safety rules outside home. Let's start the class. First one is, do not play on the roads and in the streets. So we should not play on the roads. हमें roads पे नहीं play करना चाहिए because traffic is there. Because any vehicle can come. कोई भी vehicle आ सकता है और हमें hit कर सकता है. Okay? So we should not play on the roads and streets. Next is, do not run after the falling kites. So, whenever there is a festival, Basant Panchami, we all fly kites. Yes, we all fly. So, whenever a kite falls, we should not run after the falling kites. Like we are running blindly to catch the the kite. What will happen? Again, any vehicle can hit us from back. Okay, so be careful and never run like this after the falling kites. Okay. Next is, do not tease animals, they may bite you. There are various animals on the roads like a dog, cat, cow, and we should not tease them. Okay. They can bite us. अगर हम छेड़ेंगे, उन्हें कुछ थ्रो करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? वो हमें बाइट कर सकते हैं. Okay. So never tease any animals. We should respect every animal. Next is, wait patiently for your turn at the swings. Whenever you go at park or at garden, there are swings, there are slides for you. So you should wait for your turn patiently. हमें अपनी turn का patiently wait करना चाहिए. We should not push anyone कि नहीं अब मैं swing करूँगा. We should never do like this. Okay? Always patiently wait for your turn at the swings. Okay? Next is, play safe games in safe places like a park, a garden or a playground. So हमेशा हमें safe places पे ही play करना चाहिए, जैसे park, garden और a playground. ठीक है? We should not play on the roads or on streets. All right? Always play in the park, garden or a playground because there no vehicle can come. Okay? But आप ही लोग होते हैं और आप play कर सकते हैं. All right? Okay. Now next is the activity that we will do together. Look at the picture given below. Mark a cross in the box beside the children who you think may get hurt. हमें उन बच्चों को क्रॉस करना है जो हमें लगता है hurt हो सकते हैं. Let's see which children can get hurt. See, the first one is these children, they are swinging here. So can they get hurt? Tell me. No, because they're swinging in the park. Okay, so we will not put a cross here. Next one is, this boy is walking in the park, so this boy cannot get hurt. Okay. Next is, this boy and this girl, they are sitting in the park on the bench, so they can also not get hurt. They will not get hurt. Okay, because they are sitting in the park. Next is this boy. This boy is eating a banana and throwing the peel on the road. See, the boy has thrown the banana peel on the road. That's bad manners. We should never throw any peel, any garbage anywhere. We should always throw garbage in the dustbin. So this is the bad manners, okay? This boy can get hurt. This boy can get hurt. I will put a cross here. Okay. Now see, girl is walking here. So this girl also can get hurt. Okay. This girl can also get hurt because there is a banana peel here and it is on the road. For road पे पड़ा हुआ है. This girl also can get hurt. All right. Next is this boy. This boy is walking on the road and they're holding their hands of their parents. Okay. See, so both the boys are holding hands of their parents. Okay. Now it's a girl. Girl is walking on the road, but on the side of the road. So this girl cannot get hurt. Now these two boys are running on the road. See, and the vehicle are coming. Vehicles आ रहे हैं और ये दो boys road पे run कर रहे हैं. And so these boys can get hurt. So we will put a cross on these two boys like this. We should never run on the road or on the streets. Okay, we should never run on the road because any vehicle can hit us and we can get injured. Okay, so we have to follow some safety rules outside our home also, so that we can play safely and we should not get injured. All right. So that was the safety rules outside our home. I hope you have learned safety rules outside our home with me, and I know that you will all follow these safety rules and be a good student. All right. I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.